Well, hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm doing a service on this Yamaha R3 and I came across a problem that I see very regularly with people who fit aftermarket adjustable levers on their bikes. And that is just in here, there's supposed to be a bushing. It's in the old lever and you press it out and then you install it in the new lever. Without it, you've got that much free play that isn't supposed to be there. So it's very hard to adjust the actual cable free play here because the fitment is incorrect. And not to mention that it actually starts wearing on the lever itself because it's just not the right fitment. So guys, if you're fitting adjustable levers, please make sure that you check this bushing. Check yours. If you've got adjustable levers on your bike and you didn't fit them yourself, if it's doing that, you need to press the old bushing out and install it in your new lever. So guys, that's a tech tip for the day. I'll see you all soon. So there you go, we've actually got the bushing on order. It's only about $7, so it's not expensive, but I have seen one on a Suzuki once, which was insanely expensive. But I'd be curious if you've got adjustable levers on your bike, leave a comment below. Let me know, does yours have this issue? Because it seems very common. I'd say sort of 60-70% of bikes that I come across have this issue. So let me know. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, please, by all means. If you did like it, if you didn't like it, well, you can't dislike it anymore. So that's even better for me, so you may as well like it. Come on. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.